What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of AI and how it can supercharge your podcasting game. Let's face it, editing can be a drag. Brainstorming content feels like pulling teeth sometimes, and who even has time to write show notes anymore? But fear not, fellow podcast warriors, because AI is here to be your friendly neighborhood podcasting sidekick. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like our video, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, let's talk about AI and podcasting. You know, podcasting is all about connecting with your audience, sharing your stories, and having a good time. And what better way to enhance your podcasting experience than by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence? Now, before you picture some creepy robot stealing your mic, AI for podcasting is pretty cool. We're talking tools that can automate tasks, spark creative ideas, and free up your time to focus on the fun stuff. We have hundreds and hundreds of AI tools that can be used for podcasting. Let's explore some of these fantastic tools together. AI tools for planning your podcast. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right ones for your podcast. But don't worry, though, because with this video, we've got your back. This video will walk you through some of the best AI tools that'll take your podcast from good to great. 1. Audio editing and enhancement. Clean Voice. Clean Voice removes filler words, enhances audio quality, and ensures your podcast sounds professional. If you're on a quest to conquer audio imperfections in your podcast, we recommend the Clean Voice AI. Here's why it's your secret weapon. Who's it for? Podcasters, YouTubers, filmmakers, anyone dealing with audio recordings. What's the magic? Clean Voice AI uses AI wizardry to zap away filler words, those pesky ums and uhs, stuttering and speech hiccups, annoying mouth noises, clicks, pops, background hums and hisses, awkward silences. We've all been there. Why, you'll love it. Time saver, let Clean Voice AI handle the grunt work while you sip your creative juice. Pro-level Polish, say goodbye to audio imperfections. Your listeners will thank you. Crystal clear, boost overall quality for engaged ears. Descript. Descript AI isn't just another tool, it's your all-in-one powerhouse for podcasting. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, this platform has everything you need to take your podcast to the next level. Let's dive into what makes Descript AI the ultimate game changer for podcast creators like you. Why Descript AI rocks? For every podcaster, from beginners to pros, Descript AI caters to podcasters of all levels, making it accessible and valuable for everyone. All-in-one platform, say goodbye to juggling multiple tools. Descript AI combines a range of features to simplify your podcasting workflow. Revolutionary editing, edit your audio like a pro directly in the transcribed text, making tweaks as easy as editing a document. AI magic, clean up your audio effortlessly with AI-powered tools like Overdub for intros/outros and noise reduction for crystal clear sound. Banish filler words, Descript's AI identifies and removes pesky filler words like and like, giving your podcast a polished finish. Remote recording, collaborate seamlessly with guests, no matter where they are, thanks to Descript's remote recording features. Screen and webcam recording, add visual flair to your podcast with integrated screen and webcam recordings. Transcription on autopilot, let Descript do the heavy lifting with automatic transcription, saving you hours of manual work. Effortless collaboration, share projects with your team effortlessly, streamlining your workflow and fostering teamwork. Adobe Podcast. Adobe Podcast is a new tool that makes it easy to create podcasts. You don't need special skills or other programs because you can do everything in your web browser. It has a feature that improves your audio, making your voice sound clear and cutting out any background noise. Editing your podcast is simple too. It's just like editing text. You can cut, copy, and paste parts of your audio. Let's break it down. Enhance speech. This nifty AI tool tackles background noise, mouth clicks, and even reverb. Say goodbye to audio chaos. Mic check. Worried about your mic quality? Adobe's got your back. It analyzes your mic input and suggests optimal settings for recording. Studio, free version. Imagine recording high-quality audio right in your browser. Yep, that's Studio. Plus, you can use the enhanced speech feature to level up your sound. But wait, there's more. If you're ready to go pro, check out the paid plans. Multi-track editing, mix and match audio from different sources for that polished radio show vibe. Overdub, fix mistakes or add intros without breaking a sweat. Studio sounds, need ambience or background music? Dive into a royalty-free library of sound effects and tunes. 2. Transcription and note-taking. Here are some of the top AI tools specifically designed to help you in podcast transcription and note-taking. Otter.ai. Otter.ai is a tool that helps you take notes during meetings without typing. It listens to what's said and writes it down for you. It can also pick out the important parts and make a summary. Plus, it can work with other apps you use for work. It's like having a helper that takes notes and keeps track of your meetings for you. Strengths. Real-time transcription. Otter.ai transcribes audio in real time, making it particularly useful for interviews, live podcasts, and any situation where immediate transcription is essential. Speaker identification. The tool can differentiate between speakers, simplifying note-taking and editing tasks. This feature is especially handy in multi-speaker scenarios. Integrations. Otter.ai seamlessly integrates with popular podcasting platforms like Descript and Zoom. This streamlines your workflow by allowing you to access transcriptions directly within these tools. Free tier. Otter.ai offers a free plan with basic features, making it accessible for users who need occasional transcription services. Rev.ai. Rev.ai is like a smart note-taker. It listens to people talking and writes down what they say. It's great at understanding different voices and can write in many languages. It can also make a short version of what's been said, find the main ideas, and even figure out if the talk is happy or sad. It's perfect for making quick notes or getting the gist of a conversation. Let's take a look at some of the features. Automatic transcription. Rev.ai uses cutting-edge speech recognition tech to automatically turn your spoken words into written text. No more manual typing. High accuracy. The transcripts stay true to the original content, which is crucial for accurate show notes and captions. Speedy turnaround. Rev.ai doesn't keep you waiting. You'll have your transcriptions in a jiffy. Customization. Want specific formatting or speaker IDs? Rev.ai lets you tailor your transcription preferences. API integration. For the tech-savvy, their API seamlessly fits into your existing tools and workflows. Privacy first. Your data is locked down. Rev.ai takes privacy seriously. 3. Planning and idea generation. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like your podcasting assistant, helping you pick themes, find guests, and write smooth scripts. It's a genius at drafting messages to connect with guests and sponsors, and a pro at crafting social media buzz. It's the behind-the-scenes hero that lets you shine, making podcast magic without the stress. Features. Research Whiz. ChatGPT is like having a research team at your fingertips. It can scour the internet for information on any topic, giving you a solid base for your episodes. Idea generator. Ever hit a creative wall? ChatGPT is here to break it down with a flood of ideas, themes, and perspectives to keep your content fresh. Scriptwriter. Need help writing your podcast script? ChatGPT can craft everything from your intro to ad spots, making sure your listeners stay glued to their headphones. Audience Engager. Looking to make your podcast more interactive? ChatGPT can come up with ways to get your audience involved, creating a community around your content. The Appsolute Show Planner. The Appsolute Show Planner helps to guide you from a spark of inspiration to a ready-to-launch show. It helps you craft a snappy name, fine-tune your ideas, and even script your intro. Features. Planning Pro. The Appsolute Show Planner takes your podcast ideas and turns them into a concrete plan. It's like a GPS for your podcast journey, guiding you every step of the way. Naming Genius. Stuck on what to call your podcast? The Appsolute Show Planner throws out name ideas that resonate with your content and audience. Idea Evaluator. Not sure if your podcast idea will hit the mark? Get some honest, unbiased feedback to ensure your concept has the wow factor. Episode Kickstarter. It even helps you script an engaging trailer and lines up your first few episodes, setting you up for a strong start. When you combine ChatGPT's creative prowess with the Appsolute Show Planner's organizational skills, you've got a winning team. This duo ensures your podcast is not only imaginative and engaging, but also well-organized and professional. So, if you're looking to start a podcast or take yours to the next level, give these tools a try. And remember, they're always getting better with updates, so stay tuned for the latest features. 4. Recording and editing. Podcastle. Podcastle is like your all-in-one podcasting studio in the cloud. Record yourself or your guests remotely, edit the audio with easy-to-use tools, and even turn text into speech with fancy AI voices. Features. Recording Studio offers local recording for up to 10 participants with separate tracks for uncompressed wave audio and 4K video. Audio Editor features an intuitive audio workstation with AI noise removal, equalization, text editing, and a royalty-free music library. Video Editor provides tools for custom branding, unique layouts, lower thirds, and clip highlights for social channels. AI-generated voices allows the creation of podcasts using vibrant AI voices or cloning your own voice to type in the script. Hosting Hub hosts content with a dedicated Podcastle page and publishes episodes across major podcast networks. Riverside. Riverside is like having a cozy podcast studio that reaches across the miles, bringing friends together for a chat that sounds like you're all in the same room. It's the friendly AI pal that makes sure that distance does not become a barrier. Features. Studio quality recording ensures pure, uncompressed audio along with up to 4K video, all uploaded as separate tracks to the cloud. AI editing allows editing right after recording without extra tools, downloads, or uploads, and no prior experience needed. Magic Clips uses AI to generate show notes and turn the best moments into social clips. Squadcast. Squadcast lets you record interviews with friends remotely, like a podcasting walkie-talkie. It keeps your recordings sparkling clear and saves them automatically so you can focus on the fun part, the conversation. Features. Dolby.io integration enhances recordings with advanced audio processing features like dynamic leveling, spatial audio, and noise canceling. Green Room provides a space to review and prepare before entering the recording session, ensuring network connection and equipment are working properly. Screen sharing offers the ability to share and record your screen, creating a separate file for organized post-production. Enhanced audio mastering. For pro and above plans, master audio files with one click, adding efficiency through automatic leveling, EQ, and background noise reduction. 5. SEO and Web Presence. Let's explore their features. 10 Web.io, your digital architect, a WordPress website builder and hosting service that helps create SEO-friendly websites for podcasts. Features. AI Website Builder. Imagine snapping your fingers and boom, you've got a website. That's what 10 Web.io's AI Builder does, crafting sites complete with AI-generated content and images. Automated hosting. This isn't just any hosting. We're talking about Google Cloud's level of performance. Your site's gonna be zippy and reliable. Page Speed Booster. Slow site? No way. 10 Web.io turbocharges your site to hit that sweet 90+ page speed score, making sure visitors stick around. AI E-commerce Website Builder. Got merch to sell? This tool's got your back, making e-commerce integration a breeze. AI tools for business. From brainstorming business names to strategizing your marketing, 10 Web.io's AI tools are like having a business guru in your corner. Ad Creative. Your creative genius generates ad copy and ideas based on product descriptions and target audience, useful for promoting episodes or sponsors. Features. Generate ad creatives. Need ads that convert? Ad Creative whips up eye-catching creatives that stay true to your brand's soul. Generate texts and headlines. Get those click-worthy texts and headlines that are tailor-made for wherever you're advertising. Creative Insights. Ever wonder which ads are your MVPs? Ad Creative's insights show you the score, so you can double down on what works. Generate social creatives. Social media is your stage, and Ad Creative's your backstage crew, crafting posts that'll get all the likes and shares. Generate complete ad package. It's like a marketing team in a box. Strategy, creatives, texts, and audiences all rolled into one. In conclusion, the best AI tools for podcasting are those that offer a range of features to enhance the podcasting experience. These tools can assist with tasks such as transcription, editing, sound quality improvement, and even content generation. By leveraging AI, podcasters can focus more on content creation and audience engagement, making these tools invaluable for both beginners and seasoned podcasters. Remember, the best tool depends on your specific needs and goals in podcasting. Don't miss out on our latest videos. Hit that subscribe button and be part of our community today.